हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के वीडियो में हमने अभी तक जितने भी टॉपिक्स पढ़े हैं उन सबको रिवाइज करेंगे थ्रू एमसीक्यूज। ओके, तो मैं आपके सामने क्वेश्चंस पुट अप करती जाऊंगी, ऑप्शंस भी आएंगे, बट मैं आंसर तुरंत तुरंत बताती जाऊंगी। सो आप लोगों को वीडियो थोड़ा सा पॉज करना पड़ेगा और अपने आंसर्स को है जो नोट करना पड़ेगा। एंड यू कैन कॉमेंट डाउन ऑल दी आंसर्स, ओके, ताकि आपके हाथ के साथ में प्रैक्टिस होती जाए और आप लोगों को ज़्यादा टाइम भी वेस्ट नहीं हो और पूरा रिवीजन भी हो जाए। ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन। The first question is an agreement enforceable by law is a option A, an enforceable acceptance, option B, accepted offer, option C, approved promise, option D, contract. And the correct answer is option D, contract. Okay. Now the second question is every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other is an option A, agreement, option B, contract, option C, offer, option D, acceptance. And the correct answer is option A, agreement. Now the next question is promises which form the consideration or part of the consideration for each other is N. Option A, reciprocal promises, option B, cross offers, option C, conditional promises, option D, conditional offer. And the correct answer is option A, reciprocal promises. Now the fourth question is an agreement not enforceable by law is stated to be void under option A section 2D, option B section 2 clause E, option C section 2 clause F, option D section 2 clause G. And the correct answer is option D section 2 clause G. Now the fifth question is void agreement signifies option A agreement illegal in nature, option B agreement non-enforceable by law, option C agreement violating legal procedure, option D agreement against public policy. And the correct answer is agreement not enforceable by law, option B. Now the next question is offer defines under section 2A is a communication from one person to another, B by suggestion by one person to another, C willingness to do or to abstain from doing an act in order to obtain the assent of other thereto, option D none of the above. And the correct answer is option C willingness to do or to abstain from doing an act in order to obtain the assent of other thereto. Now the seventh question is under section 2 clause B, if the person to whom the proposal is made signifies his assent, the proposal is said to have been option A accepted, option B agreed, option C provisionally agreed, option D tentatively accepted. And the correct answer is accepted, option A. Now the next question is a proposal when accepted becomes option A promise under section 2 clause B, option B agreement under section 2 clause E, option C contract under section 2H, option D none of the above. And the correct answer is option A promise under section 2 clause B. Question number 9 is when at the desire of the promiser, the promisee or any other person has done or abstained from doing or does or abstains from doing or promises to do or to abstain from doing something, such act or absistence or promise is called a consideration for the promise under section 2 clause D is called option A reciprocal promises, option B consideration for the promise, option C counter offer, option D acceptance. And the correct answer is option B consideration for the promise. Now the next question is uh, which one is the correct? Proposal plus acceptance is equals to promise. Promise plus consideration is equals to agreement. Option C agreement plus enforceability is equals to contract. And option D all of the above. So the correct answer is option D all of the above. Now next question is in a valid contract what comes first? Option A enforceability, option B acceptance, option C promise, option D proposal. So the answer is option D, proposal. Now, under section 2, clause C, promiser is the option A, person who makes the proposal, person who accepts the proposal, option C, person who makes the promise, option D, person to whom the proposal is made. अब इन ऑप्शंस में ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है तो आप कंफ्यूज हो सकते हो, बट इसका करेक्ट आंसर अगर आपने डेफिनेशन ध्यान से पढ़ी होगी तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, पर्सन हु मेक्स द प्रपोजल. Now, goods displayed in a shop with a price tag is N. Option A, offer. Option B, invitation to offer. Option C, counter offer. Option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, invitation to offer. Now the next question is tender is option A, an offer, option B, an invitation to offer, option C, a counter offer, option D, a promise. And the correct answer is option B, an invitation to offer. Now the next question is communication of a proposal is completed. Option A, when it is put in the course of transmission. Option B, when it comes to the knowledge of the person to whom it is made. Option C, when the proposal is communicated to the person to whom it is made. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option B, when it comes to the knowledge of the person to whom it is made. Now the next question is communication of acceptance is completed as against the proposal. Option A, when it comes to the knowledge of the proposer. Option B, when it is put in the transmission to whom so as to be out of the power of the acceptor. Option C, when the acceptance is communicated to the proposer. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option B, when it is put in the transmission to him so as to be out of the power of the acceptor. Now the next question is communication of acceptance is completed as against the acceptor. Option A, when it comes to the knowledge of the proposer. Option B, when it is put in the course of transmission. Option C, when it is communicated to the acceptor that the acceptance has reached the proposer. Option D, when the proposer conveys the acceptance to the acceptor. And the correct answer is when it comes to the knowledge of the proposer. Option A. Now the next question is revocation of offer by letter or telegram can be completed. Option A, when it is dispatched. Option B, when it is received by the offeree. Option C, when it reaches the offering. Option D, both A and C. So the correct answer is option A, when it is dispatched. Acceptance to be valid must option A be absolute, option B be unqualified, option C both be absolute and unqualified, option D be conditional. And the correct answer is option C, both be absolute and unqualified. Now the next question is a contract which ceases to be enforceable by law become void. Option A, when it ceases to be enforceable. Option B, before it ceases to be enforceable. Option C, no such condition necessary. Option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is when it ceases to be enforceable. An acceptance can be revoked. Option A, at any time before the communication of the acceptance is completed as against the promisor. Option B, after its acceptance comes to the knowledge of the promise. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A nor B. And the correct answer is option A. An acceptance can be revoked at any time before the communication of the acceptance is completed as against the promisor. Question number 22. A proposal stands revoked. Option A, by communication of notice of revocation by the proposer. Option B, by failure of acceptor to fulfill a condition precedent. Option C, by death or insanity of proposer to the knowledge of acceptor. Option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. A proposal can be accepted by notice of acceptance, by performance of the condition of proposal, by acceptance of consideration for a reciprocal promise, all of the above. In this also the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Now the next question is the Indian Contract Act 1872 is extended to the whole of India, the whole of India excluding Jammu and Kashmir. Option C, all the states and the union territories of India. Option D, the whole. So the correct answer as per the act is the whole of India. पहले जम्मू कश्मीर में नहीं एप्लीकेबल था, बट जम्मू कश्मीर रीऑर्गेनाइजेशन एक्ट 2023 के बाद एप्लीकेबल हो गया है। ये आंसर भी आपको सही लग सकता है, ऑल द स्टेट्स एंड यूनियन टेरिटरीज, इसका सेम ही मीनिंग है, बट देन टू एज पर द एक्ट द होल ऑफ इंडिया इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now the next question is persons required for a contract are option A 1, option B 2, option C 2 or more, option D all of the above. The correct answer is 2. बट अगर हम आगे गारंटी अगर पढ़ेंगे गारंटी इंडेमनिटी, तो वहाँ पे आपको तीन 3% की नीड होती है, बट मिनिमम फॉर ए जनरल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देयर इज द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ only 2 people. Now the next question is the Indian Contract Act 1872 lays down the definition of contract in option A section 2 clause A, option B section 2 clause B, option C section 2 clause D, option D section 2 clause H, and the correct answer is option D section 2 clause H. The next question is an agreement which is enforceable by law at option of one or more of the parties thereto, but not at the option of other or others is option A valid contract, option B void contract, option C voidable contract, option D illegal contract. And the correct answer is option C voidable contract. The next question is A agrees to sell to B my white cow for rupees 100 or rupees 200. It is option A a valid offer, option B not a valid offer, option C an uncertain offer, option D both B and C. And the correct answer is option D. ओके क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपने मनी स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया है, आप और बोल रहे हो, आप है जो बी को ए है जो बी को ऑप्शन दे रहा है, ठीक है, इसलिए ये एक अनसर्टेन ऑफर है और ये वैलिड भी नहीं है, और कब देगा ये भी उसने कुछ नहीं बताया, तो इस वजह से. The next question is a valid proposal may be made by option A words only, option B words written or spoken, option C words written or spoken or by conduct, option D a letter. So the correct answer is option C words written or spoken or by conduct. The next question is acting in ignorance of an offer does not amount to acceptance of the offer, in which case it was held so. Option A R versus Clark, option B Carlyle versus Carbolic Smoke Pole Company, option C Lalman Shukla versus Gauridat, option D Pharmaceutical Society of Great Britain versus Boots Cash Chemist. And the correct answer is Lalman Shukla versus Gauri Dutt. Now the next question is general offer open for world at large can be accepted by any person who performs the condition of the promise without knowing the offer. Option B any person knowing the offer performs the condition of the proposal. Option C any person who reads the advertisement. Option D all of the above. And the correct answer is option B. Any person knowing the offer performs the condition of the proposal. Next question is option of revocation is available to option A proposal only, option B acceptor only, option D both proposal and acceptor, option D none of the above. And the correct answer is option C both proposal and acceptor. Next question is which of the following is the mode of revocation of proposal? Option A notice of revocation, option B lapse of time, option C death or insanity of the offerer, option D all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. Now the next question is Which of the following will constitute a valid acceptance? Option A, an inquiry as to fitness of the subject matter of contract. Option B, addition to offer superfluous term which accepting while accepting an offer. Option C, a provisional acceptance. Option D, a conditional acceptance. So the correct answer is option A, an inquiry as to fitness of the subject matter of contract. Next question is match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from given below the list. So here is the list 1, list 2, and here are your options. Carlyle versus Carpolic Smoke Pole Company. Tell me the correct answer. The correct answer is option A. Carlyle versus Carbolic Smoke Pole Company offers at large था उसमें उस केस में फिशर्स वर्सेस बेल में इनविटेशन टू ऑफर था टिन वर्सेस हॉफमैन एंड कंपनी में क्रॉस ऑफर था हार्वे वर्सेस फैसे में कोटेशन ऑफ प्राइस से रिलेटेड केस था. The next question is A by a letter offers to sell his car to B for rupees 75,000. At the same time, B by letter which crosses the above the letter while in post offers to buy the car for rupees 75,000. In this context which one of the following propositions is correct? Option A, a contract is concluded when these two letters cross each other in post. Option B, a contract is concluded when the letter posted by A reaches B. Option C, no contract is concluded at any time. Option D, a contract is concluded only when the letter posted by B reaches to A. यहाँ पे जो आपको लाइन दी गई है ना कि बी बाय अ लेटर विच क्रॉसेस, जो ये क्रॉस वाली लाइन है ना कि क्रॉसेस द अबव लेटर व्हाइल इन पोस्ट, तो ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ये जो है लेटर्स हैं एक दूसरे को क्रॉस करने चाहिए. हो सकता है वो किसी और पोस्ट के थ्रू उसने लेटर भेजा हो, बी ने, और ए ने किसी और के थ्रू भेजा हो. तो ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि एक दूसरे को क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. तो ये चीज़ है ना, ये आपको क्वेश्चन में कंफ्यूज करने के लिए दिया है. आपको बस इतना याद रखना है कि दोनों पार्टीज ने सिमिलर टाइम पे है जो एक दूसरे को ऑफर किया, एक ने सेल करने के लिए और एक ने बाय करने के लिए. ठीक है, तो इसका जो सही आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन सी, नो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज कंक्लूडेड एट एनी टाइम. क्यों? क्योंकि ये क्रॉस ऑफर्स हैं, इसमें एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं है अभी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट करेक्ट? Option A, an oral acceptance is a valid acceptance. Acceptance must be in writing. Acceptance must be communicated. Acceptance must be in a prescribed manner. तो acceptance must be in writing is the correct option, क्योंकि ये option है जो मतलब correct नहीं, इसमें क्योंकि लिखा हुआ है must be in writing. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप हमेशा अपनी acceptance है जो वो writing में दो, इसलिए. Next question is acceptance sent through post. Option A, can be revoked at any time. Option B, cannot be revoked at all. Option C, can be revoked before it comes to the knowledge of the offerer. Option D, can be revoked only if it does not reaches the offerer. And the correct option is option C, can be revoked before it comes to the knowledge of the offerer. Now the next question is, an acceptance is completed as soon as the letter of acceptance is posted, whether it reaches the offerer or not. Which of the following with regard to the above statement is correct? According to Indian law, the rule is valid. According to English law, the rule is valid. Both Indian law and English law follow the same rule. Option D, none of the above is correct. And the correct option is option B. According to English law, the rule is valid. Okay. Now the next question is A offers to sell his car to B for rupees 50,000. B agrees to buy the car offering rupees 45,000. The offer of B amounts to option A an invitation to offer, option B counter offer, option C standing offer, option D none of the above. And the correct answer is option B counter offer. Now the next question is consider the following statement above as offer. Option A, a counter offer terminates the original offer. Option B, quotation of price is an offer. Option 3, acceptance to an offer is like a lighted match to a train of gunpowder. So of these statements, 2 and 3 are correct, 2 and 3 are correct. Option C, 1 and 3 are correct. Option D, 3 alone is correct. And the correct option is option C. 1 and 3 are correct. Now the next question is consider the following statement. There is no difference between English law and Indian law about acceptance through the post. Second statement is that both under the English law and Indian law, a contract is concluded when the letter of acceptance is posted. And the third statement is under the Indian law, when the letter of acceptance is posted, it is completed only as the proposer. Which of the following statement is or are true? Option A 1 and 2, option B 2 alone, option C 3 alone, option D none of the above. And the correct answer is option C 3 alone. Under the Indian law, when the letter of acceptance is posted, it is completed as against the proposer. Now the next question is which of the following is not the legal requirement of a valid offer? Option A, it must be communicated to the other party. Option B, it must express offerer's final willingness. Option C, it must be made to a specific person and not to public at large. Option D, it must be with a view to obtain offeree's assent. And the correct answer is option C. Now the next question is A finds B's purse and gives it to him. B promises to give A rupees 50. This is a option A void contract, option B valid contract, option C voidable contract, option D illegal contract. And the correct answer is option B valid contract. And the last question of this exercise is the correct sequence in the formation of a contract is offer, acceptance, agreement, consideration. Option B agreement, consideration, offer agreements. Option C agreement, consideration, offer, acceptance. Option D offer, acceptance, consideration, agreement. And the correct answer is of option D offer, acceptance, consideration and agreement. सो आज यहाँ पे ये क्लास ख़त्म होती है। आई होप आप लोगों को सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर हैं जो वो सही अ, आपने सही आंसर दिए हो। डू लेट मी नो कि आपके कितने क्वेश्चन के आंसर सही हुए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल इफ़ यू लाइक द कॉन्टेंट। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।